Assalamualaikum everyone. Hope you all are doing well. Let's begin our today's lecture. So, the topic that we're going to discuss today is the role of mathematics in computer science. Before going into the topic, the very first question that we should answer is what is mathematics actually? So, mathematics has no generally accepted definition, but here is one that states mathematics is the science which deals with logic of shape, quantity, and its arrangement. Mathematics focuses on the understanding of the structure of a machine in all possible aspects by using logical analysis, certain calculations that are required, formation of the patterns, and deducing different conclusions, etc. Mathematics actually gives us a way to ensure that the final structure that we have selected for our machine is good, or even it's better than some other possible structure. During ancient times in Egypt, the Egyptians used mathematics and the complex mathematical equations like geometry and algebra to actually build the Great Pyramids. Role of mathematics in computer science. I will not debate on it. Mathematics is as important in computer science as the ground is important while constructing a building. If you do not understand the foundation on which you are going to place the whole structure, then your end structure may be wobbly or the structure may even fail over the time. And the consequences of that can be devastating in the long run. Same is the case with the mathematics and its role in the computer science. You cannot go ahead with the computer science without understanding the mathematics. So mathematics at each layer of computing. So the very first layer is arithmetic logical unit layer, in which computer is performing all the arithmetical and logical operations with the help of simple and complex mathematical equations depending upon the task at the hand. Second layer is operating system. The operating system layer use mathematics to ensure the proper functioning of its components, such as process management, use data structure, memory management, disk management, network controllers, etc. You can actually find the whole detail of operating system layer in my lecture, Introduction to Operating System. The top layer of application programs use different mathematical algorithms to handle the different user requests. Right now in this video lecture, you are capable to read the text on the slides as well as listen to my voice while I'm explaining the text to you. It's all is happening because of the mathematics which is going on the behind this video to ensure the proper streaming. Even YouTube is using complex mathematical algorithms to handle their users and the videos and streamings and etc. Applications of mathematics. Okay, I am just summarized the applications of mathematics to a few major applications. However, there are so many applications of mathematics in computer science. So the very first is cryptography. Cryptography is actually a method of storing and transmitting means passing the data in a particular format so that only those for whom the data is intended can be able to read the data and process the data. It actually hides the data from unauthentical users. Digital image processing is the use of digital computer to process images through some certain algorithm. Image processing have been widely used in different sectors, especially in the security sector. Robotics. Robotics is a branch of engineering that involves the conception, design, operation, and manufacturing of robots. Robots require 3D designing and the rotations and etc. The complex mathematics is used in the robots. Then epidemiology is actually a branch of medicine which deals with the incidence, distribution, and possible control of diseases in certain areas and the health factors. Research in epidemiology increased during the last year because of COVID-19. Civil engineering applications. Various applications have been designed to help the civil engineers in designing the infrastructures of different constructions that have been going on. But not a single application can exist or even be made without the help of the mathematics. And same goes for the mechanical engineering applications. Just as civil engineering applications can't be made without mathematics, the same goes for the mechanical engineering applications as well. Both of these type of applications require, just like the robotics, 3D designing, rotations, and advanced mathematical algorithms. A huge application of mathematics can be seen in the optimization problems. The optimization problem states finding the best solution or the optimal solution among the set of a feasible solution. So we have a problem and we have a set of feasible solutions. All solutions are capable to solve the problem. But optimization problem states that we have to select one particular solution which is the best solution among all the possible solutions. In optimization, mathematics helps us to solve many such problems by introducing different techniques such as fitness functions and etc. and etc. Graphs. In computer science, a huge chunk of problems is related to the graph theory. For example, to generate the flight schedule of an airline, one would require a country or city-wise complete graph. And upon depending upon the user's request, one would need the shortest or maybe cheapest route from one country to another country, from one place to another place or something, right? So user can have different type of requests, and to sort and to handle all of those requests, we need graphs, in which mathematics helps us by introducing the graph theory, etc. For further details on all of these, please check out my lectures on specifics. Links are given in the description. I hope you all have a good day. Thank you so much.